Hi, I am Dr. Shaji Jose, pediatric specialist at Labir Medical Center, Abu Hamur. Obesity and COVID-19 negatively affect the health and well-being of the children. There have been major lifestyle changes including stay-at-home orders and physical distancing. School closed and children lost access to a safe place to be and physical activity as well as their social network and familiar routines. This has harmed the health and well-being of the children with obesity. Today, I would like to give you some tips to reduce the obesity among children. As we all know, children thrive better if they have a structured routines in their lives. Even though most schools have now switched to online or blended learning and may not have a daily timetable, it would be better if, as parents, you try to bring about routines into their lives. This can be done by setting times for going to bed, waking up, studies, play, etc. This also ensures that the kids get adequate sleep and also limits oversleeping. In the fast food culture around us, obesity is a common side effect in both adults and children. Try to cut down on snacking on junk foods and getting food delivered from outside too often. Teach your kids the benefit of healthy home cooked food and get them involved in the process of making food. In this way, their relationship with the food can be made healthier. Excessive hours spent in front of the TV leads to snacking, and the lack of physical activity can turn our kids into couch potatoes. So please restrict TV time, as it is they have a lot of screen time for their studies. The benefit of physical activity cannot be stressed too much. Although group sports is not encouraged now, cycling, skipping, and yoga etc. can boost your children's health and immunity. We as adults tend to overlook our children's emotional health. Overeating is often a sign of depression. Kids now have less interaction with their peers and may not open up to their parents fully, especially in adolescence. Encourage them to have virtual meetings with their friends occasionally. Spend quality family time and take them out to park or to the beach. Obesity is a silent pandemic and its ill effect may not be evident immediately. It is up to us to see to it that our children can live long and healthy lives. So let us fight the fat. Thank you.